2014 Chevy Equinox LT2 all-wheel drive. Hi, and welcome to Oliver Motors. Oliver Motors has two great locations, 246 West Main Street, Sun Prairie, and 315 South Boulevard in Baraboo. We are currently walking around a 2014 Chevy Equinox LT2 all-wheel drive. This beautiful Equinox is one of the newest pieces of inventory at Oliver Motors. The 2014 Chevy Equinox is a 5-passenger, mid-sized crossover SUV. The Equinox provides the style and utility of a traditional SUV, but subtracts the clumsy driving dynamics and adds great fuel economy. The 14 Equinox is known for its roomy interior and its easy driving style, along with something that really hasn't changed much since it first came out, and that's its sporty look. As you walk around, you'll see that the Equinox really hasn't changed much since it came out back in the mid-2000s. Why change something that's not broke? And that's been kind of the philosophy that GM has had. It still has that sporty look, those beautiful body lines, great features like the chrome wheels and the chrome on the back of the side mirrors, chrome door handles on this gorgeous 2014 LT2. Opening up the doors, you'll see some of the great features inside, like power locks, power mirrors, power windows. The red stitching that they put inside, just giving it that little extra. And of course, the upgraded Pioneer stereo system. On the driver's seat, driver's powered seat with black leather interior. As we hop up inside, when we take a look on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you're going to have your cruise control, which also does have the adaptive cruise and the side detections. On the right-hand side is going to be your radio controls. On the toggle on the left-hand side, you're going to have your lights, your brights, and your blinkers. On the right-hand side is going to be your windshield wipers for both front and rear. Up on the dash, a nice, big, easy-to-read, bright LED display with the info center right in the middle. Talking about easy to read, the top of the center stack gives you a nice big display, which does have a bright backup camera when put in reverse. AM, FM, XM, and multimedia controls all included in this gorgeous vehicle. Right below that is going to be your climate controls, which do include heated front seats. Along with AM, FM, and XM, it also has CD player. A ton of storage in this gorgeous vehicle. Speaking of storage on the passenger side, a nice big glove box that still has the owner's manual. As we get out, we're going to take a look on the center console. Open that up, and you've got your plug-ins for your multimedia controls and a ton of room down below. We're going to get out, take a look at the roof line. Nice big moonroof that goes over the front driver and passenger compartments. Moving around to the back, again, those great features in the back doors also. And something that I'm impressed with for a mid-size SUV is the amount of room that this 5-passenger Equinox has. 3-person capability in the back. If you have one or two, you can pop down that center armrest, giving you 2 cup holders and, again, an armrest. Otherwise, if you don't need a lot of storage for passengers, but you need more for cargo, drop that back 60-40 split back seat down, giving you more room for cargo in that back end. And talking about cargo space, let's walk around to the back, open up that rear hatch. Does have the power assist rear hatch. Look at the amount of room in this SUV. Not only do you have the 5-person capability, but you have a ton of cargo space in the back hatch area there. Underneath the floor, you have your spare tire, your jack assembly. Dropping that back down. Taking a look at the back of the back seats, you did see the 60-40 split. Hit the button, that back gate does come down by itself with a nice power assist rear gate. We're going to walk around to the front of this vehicle, pop open the hood and take a look underneath. This 2014 Equinox is powered by a 2.4-liter motor. Everything that you need to check or fill is easily accessible and right up on top. Safety features are going to be underneath that plastic that you see there, but still are there. Crumple points, drop-away motor mounts, 5-mile-an-hour bumpers, both front and rear. If you'd like more information on this gorgeous vehicle, hop online to www.olivermotors.com.